Hey there, is your Cox router blinking blue? Don't worry, in this video we'll explain what it means, why it happens and how we fix it quickly. A blinking blue light on your Cox router means it's trying to establish a connection. This usually happens when the router is pairing with another device, reconnecting after an outage or facing a weak signal. You will typically see this when setting up the router for the first time, after a restart, or when there's an issue with the internet connection. First, make sure all cables are securely connected. Restart your router by unplugging it for 10 seconds and plugging it back in. Move your router to a central location for a better signal. Check for service outages in your area through the Cox website or app. If the light keeps blinking for over 5 minutes, try resetting the router by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. That's it. Your Cox router should now be working fine. If the issue persists, contact Cox support for further help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes.